Now we're gonna show you how to turn this into a Food Booth Pro. Extend your legs, 3 or 4 holes showing, all your preference. Then we go over here, grab the walls. Velcro to the top. Boom. The unfolding of the wall is the hardest part. From there, it's like a piece of cake. Now you just gotta zip up your corners, get the Velcros out the way. Boom, boom. Sometimes you gotta tuck those. Tuck them in a little bit just so they're out your way. Get all 4 corners. And you're ready to sell some food.